A novel TLC-IA approach for forensic differentiation of fountain pen inks using RGB profiling. Forensic science uses scientific methods or expertise to investigate criminal activities or analyze evidence that may be presented in a court of law. This article intends to present a novel and rapid technique for distinguishing inks on disputed papers. 10 blue fountain pen inks of 2 different types, bottle and refill in different brands, were acquired from the local market to create the collection and to be analyzed in the study. The separation of ink components was conducted using thin layer chromatography (TLC). TLC investigations were conducted with Merck Darmstadt, Germany 20 cm by 20 cm silica gel 60 TLC plates without fluorescent indicators. The data was acquired by developing specialized image analysis software to assist thin layer chromatograms TLC-IA. This study marks Turkey's inaugural application of TLC-IA to analyze fountain pen inks, employing RGB profiles for ink differentiation. This work represents the inaugural investigation into fountain pen inks, employing TLC-IA with RGB analysis for ink differentiation. The ink spot was removed from the document with methanol and isolated by thin layer chromatography utilizing a plastic sheet coated with silica gel 60, devoid of fluorescent indicator, employing a mobile phase composed of ethyl acetate, ethanol, and water in a ratio of 70:35:30 VVV. A novel software was developed to differentiate fountain pen inks based on the intensity profiles of red, green, and blue RGB attributes. Subsequently, following the development of the chromatogram, the chromatograms were digitized using a standard office scanner, and the intensity profiles of RGB attributes along the development line of each sample were generated and analyzed with bespoke software. The RGB profiles of fountain pen inks from different manufacturers exhibited markedly varied patterns in most instances. Normalizing RGB profiles facilitates a uniform comparison of color values among various ink samples. Standardizing RGB values to a range of 0 to 1 enhances the distinction among ink formulations. In this analysis, darker colors on the heat map represented higher similarity values between the samples. The study revealed that B06, B07, and B08 were highly like one another across all visual methods, similarity matrix, normalized RGB profiles, and 3D scatter plots, while B10 exhibited consistently low similarity to other samples, particularly B04 and B05. In conclusion, the importance of thin layer chromatography (TLC) with RGB detection in forensic science lies in its ability to efficiently separate and visually analyze complex mixtures, such as inks or drugs, providing valuable evidence in investigations. This pioneering work in Turkey facilitates the forensic utilization of TLC-IA for ink analysis, notably focusing on fountain pen inks for the first time. Introduction. Forensic science involves the use of scientific techniques to investigate crimes and examine evidence, often used in legal proceedings. Color analysis plays a significant role in forensics, spanning the full light spectrum to help reconstruct events. Techniques like thin layer chromatography (TLC) and microspectrophotometry have been essential for analyzing ink and detecting forgeries in documents. As forensics advances, newer methods such as impedance spectroscopy and dielectric spectroscopy have emerged to better differentiate inks. Document examination, which involves identifying forgery through revisions or additions, is vital in solving criminal cases. Methods like Raman and infrared spectroscopy have gained popularity for analyzing ink components due to their efficiency and minimal sample preparation. A new innovation combines TLC with image analysis software, which uses common office scanners to create accurate ink comparisons. This approach allows for easier, cost-effective analysis, making it an essential tool for forensic document examination. Conclusion: the 3D scatter plot and similarity matrix heat map provide a detailed view of the relationships among different fountain pen ink samples. The 3D scatter plot showed that samples B06, B07, and B08 were grouped closely together, indicating they shared similar RGB profiles, while sample B10 showed significant variation, standing apart from the others. The similarity matrix heat map confirmed this observation, with B06, B07, and B08 demonstrating high similarity scores around 0.89 or higher, while B10 had low similarity scores compared to the other samples, reinforcing its uniqueness. Combining these visual and quantitative methods highlights the effectiveness of the TLC-IA technique paired with RGB profiling in distinguishing between inks, making it a powerful tool for forensic ink analysis. This approach aids in the precise, non-destructive separation of ink samples in forensic investigations, offering reliable evidence for document authenticity. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.